5 reasons your car won't start when it's hot, and how to fix it. Is your car a champ in the morning but a stubborn mule after a quick stop? A hot start problem can be incredibly frustrating. Hello friends, welcome back to our weekly tools channel. Let's dive into the most common culprits and get you back on the road. Vapor lock is a classic issue, especially in older vehicles. It happens when fuel in the fuel line gets too hot and vaporizes. This creates bubbles that prevent the fuel pump from delivering liquid fuel to the engine. Think of it like trying to suck liquid through a straw full of air. The engine starves for fuel, leading to a no-start condition. Modern cars are less susceptible, but it's still a possibility in older models. Fuel injectors are responsible for spraying fuel into the engine. When they get old or dirty, they can leak or become clogged. Leaking injectors can flood the engine when it's hot, making it difficult to start. Clogged injectors, on the other hand, might not deliver enough fuel. This is more common when the engine is cold, but can still contribute to hot start problems. Regular fuel injector cleaner can help prevent these issues. The fuel pump delivers fuel from the tank to the engine. As it ages, it can lose pressure, especially when hot. This means the engine isn't getting enough fuel to start reliably after it's been running. A weak fuel pump can also cause other performance issues, like hesitation or stalling. A fuel pressure test can help diagnose this problem. The crankshaft position sensor tells the engine control unit, ECU, the position of the crankshaft. This information is crucial for timing the ignition and fuel injection. When this sensor fails, especially when hot, the ECU might not know when to fire the spark plugs. This can lead to a no-start condition or a very rough start. A faulty crankshaft position sensor will often trigger a check engine light. The evap system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. If there's a problem with the evap system, such as a faulty purge valve, it can create excessive pressure in the fuel tank. This pressure can make it difficult for the engine to start when it's hot. A loose gas cap or a cracked evap hose can also cause these issues. Check your gas cap first, as it's the easiest fix. Dealing with a hot start problem can be a real headache, but understanding the potential causes is the first step to fixing it. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and your car is still giving you trouble, don't hesitate to consult a qualified mechanic. Now, leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with hot start problems and what fixed them for you. Also, subscribe to our channel for more helpful car tips and tricks, and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.